control of your Bluetooth speaker volume again on Windows 11. But before changing any important Windows settings, repair the Bluetooth speaker and check if it makes any difference. In order for you to do that, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, click More Options, choose Remove Device option from the context menu, and click Yes to confirm your selection. Now you have to wait for a few seconds, then click the Add a Device tile, choose Bluetooth, select your Bluetooth speaker, then click on the Done option to exit the window. Now another possible fix is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, go to System, click Troubleshoot, open Other Troubleshooters, then click the Run option next to Bluetooth. Lastly, it is also important to properly configure the Bluetooth speaker on your Windows PC. So set it by opening Settings, click System, choose Sound, click More Sound Settings, select your Bluetooth speaker, click Set the Default option, then click OK to save the changes. And those are the following fixes if your Bluetooth speaker volume control is not working on your Windows 11 computer.